Now, how can you rescale a video on a Capcut on the iPad? And let's get started. If you are new on the Foxtecc YouTube channel, most definitely subscribe because you don't want to miss videos like this one. So on your Capcut, just start a brand new project and you need to have your videos imported. Now, select the video at the bottom which you want to resize or rescale. And you can see that it gets selected not only in the timeline, but also the border around the clip preview gets highlighted. So you now can use your fingers to either move it around or to zoom in on it, right? So you can see that you can rescale the individual clips to make them fit better into your timeline, into your video. However, if you want to change the scale of the entire video project, then you can change the aspect ratio. This can be done by unselecting the clip below, so make sure nothing gets selected at the bottom. And you can see the square button for aspect ratio. And this lets you change, for example, from the horizontal video to the vertical one or to the square or whatever, right? Because by default, it is set by the clips that you import. So if you start working with horizontal videos, the project will of course be in the horizontal aspect ratio, but you can change it in here if you want to. Now that's it from me. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to achieve what you needed. Thanks a lot for watching. Most definitely check out the rest of the Capcut tutorials on this channel, and I'll talk to you later in the next videos as well.